We're going to the train now.
Did you bring a charger?
Yeah, I did.
You can plug it into your laptop.
Yeah. There's the caboose.
What?
What's your opinions on BART collars? Because it's like slapping the shit out of someone when they speak. Did you? What? He's recommending me music.
You're so weird. You should be recording the train.
If you're caught smoking on board Amtrak 314, it will result in the end of your trip. And just look out the window, open to the cafe bar. I'd like to
Gone Girl. We're just eating lunch. Is this lunch?
Yeah, it's like really hot, but there's like lots of things. Baby gear.
That's what I was saying. I was like, what is it though?
It's an espresso.
Double shot of espresso?
Double shot of espresso.
Oh, crap. Do you see it?
It's gonna be Einstein.
I got my voter registration.
Oh shoot, I still have to do that online.
There's little. Our current president is a dumbass.
Is this going on your vlog too?
Yep.
That's true.
All political standpoints are included.
So you're just adding to all the other ones.
Yep.
The exhaustion of the country.
Should I pull it back? But definitely.
We're on our way to the art fair. That's so cool. I thought they messed up my order, but they didn't.
No, sing.
I don't know the lyrics.
Yeah.